Welcome to Health Unlimited. In this series, I'm going to be tossing some yummy, healthy recipes which are delicious as well. And today I've got for you barley pasta. So I'm making it with barley, which is a grain, and it has many health benefits. It lowers cholesterol, it helps you in losing weight, it's loaded with fiber. It's a little nutty, but it's delicious. And if you add it to your diet, you'll enjoy the health benefits. I'm going to heat a little bit of olive oil. Once it's hot, I'm going to add onions, quick toss. Once it's translucent, we add mushrooms, broccoli, some mixed peppers, 1 tomato. Oh, it's already smelling so good. I'm going to add some sautéed spinach, a quick mix. Now to this, I'm going to add tomato pureed. Okay, so now it's time for our yummy barley to go in. I soaked the barley overnight and I've boiled it until it's al dente. We'll mix it. Look at these beautiful colors. You can actually use barley in a lot of dishes. You can try replacing rice with barley. And you can make risotto, you can make this pasta. It's loaded with goodness. You can replace barley with rice. You can make biryanis, you can make pulao, you can even make risotto, and definitely try this yummy pasta. The benefits are amazing and the taste is also good. Just keep one thing in mind: when you're using barley, you have to soak it overnight and boil it before, otherwise it takes really long to cook. I'm adding some garlic powder and I have mixed herbs, oregano, parsley and rosemary. A quick mix. You can definitely enjoy this pasta as it is, but I'm going to add my yummy pesto to it, 1 cup full. Whenever you add pesto, because it's a sauce that you don't need to cook, take the dish off flame or just shut the gas and mix it in this yummy goodness in your barley pasta. Look at that. The colors and of course the taste is going to be amazing. It was so quick and easy and super delicious. And it needs a dash of salt, this freshly cracked salt. A quick mix again and it's time to plate. And now it's time to drizzle some cheese. So I'm grating Parmesano, but pasta without cheese is no fun. Wow, and our pesto barley pasta is ready. Do try it at home for Health Unlimited.